Alright guys, I'm back at my favorite. Got a few things to pick up. Alright guys, remember the bits I bought the other day? I actually got them from this spot here. But these are better to use for ceramic and, well, ceramic tile. If you're gonna drill holes through porcelain, you're gonna need maybe a diamond bit, but this should work a lot better. I have another shower rod to kind of take care of. It's already drilled in the wall, but I want to move it where the tile is. Very good selection. Very good selection, though. You got everything you need here. Very good prices. You guys remember when I did my vents? Well, somebody online gave me a suggestion on what screws to use for those vents. So I'm gonna pick them up. They thought it was a good idea. Use some flatter screws, real cheap here. Well guys, it looks like I actually found them over here. They're flat sheet metal screws. Let's take a look. I think these are due. I can paint the tips white, just like the gentleman suggested. It'll look a lot better in the basement. Maybe I'll go with these instead. 1 inch, 18 of them, same price. Let's do that. All right, I'm back home. You know, guys, when I was looking at my video the other day regarding the garage door, I realized I can lube a few more parts. I think I'm gonna hit this one and the one on the opposite side. And why not all of these here? I mean, in order for the door to roll up, it has to bend. So these parts allow that to happen. So let's lube them all up. Maybe it'll make the door a little quieter. The $6, guys. Keep that in mind. And keep the tape on the bottle so you can keep up with the straw here. All right, this will be real quick. I'm not gonna show every one. Then I'll come down and spray these. I mean, it can't hurt, right? I mean, let's get everything, you know? Get it up. All right, guys. I'm okay with that. I got every part I needed to get. Lubed it up real good. Gonna let it settle in. Moving on. All right, I'm gonna cover the chair and table set and, of course, the grill. I love it. Bought these staples yesterday, so I'm gonna use the staples to keep the plastic down. Hope it works. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'll just put a few staples in the ground and move on. It's real simple to do. There you go. Drive them in with your hand. Why am I the only one that comes up with these great ideas? I'm just joking. You know what I was thinking? What's the harm in putting a little plastic over this? You know what, guys? I got enough left from that first roll of plastic to just cover the top part here, and then I can come back with the cover. That'll be good. I can just put some staples down and that'll be fine. Okay, I'm okay with this. I only put 4 staples in the ground. And like I said, I just want to keep this from rusting out as much as possible. So as you can see, got a little rip here and it faded. It's in the sun a lot over the summer, so, but it did its job for the most part. So I'm sure there are better covers out there, but this worked. So, and again, the plastic is just extra protection. figures is 10 by 25. So this shit, once I open it up all the way, this should be good enough. I'll cut here and open it up. I just like to see a plan come together. Let me put the staples down before it's too late. Okay, that's taken care of. And I'm okay with this over here. I'll just remove the garden fountain, and that'll be it for back here. All right, I'm wrapping up the extension cord. I'm gonna tuck it under the mulch. It should be okay. No water can't get in it or anything. Okay, that's it. Garden fountain gone. Till next year. Let's drill some holes.